Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape this generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the rear window defroster fuses are located, you may have up to 2 of them that you need to check. We will explain where to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the rear window defroster fuse guys, where you can expect to find it, will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here guys. Now this is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, but it will work for both. We have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today guys we'll be working 2 of them. The first one is in the trunk. Open the trunk. Here on the right side you have a cover, go ahead and open it. Once you do that, you'll find the main trunk fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box. That's fuse 1 through 16, 17 through 28, 29 through 46. Coming here, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot, you count 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's one of them that you need to check right here guys, 22. Then you need to pop the hood open. Open the hood, facing the engine. On the right side you have a fuse box right here under this cover. Go ahead and open it. Once you do that, you'll find a main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Here guys you may have another fuse that you need to check, but you have most likely just one of these 2 fuses that we mentioned. And the fuse that you may need to check on some other years and models will be that fuse number 29 right here that we do not have. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.